Hey guys, Fix Alex here, and I'm gonna show you how to remove radio on this 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer. That's the tools that you're gonna need: Phillips head and flathead screwdriver. First step is to open your glove compartment, push on the both sides, remove your glove compartment. Using Phillips head, remove this bolt, pull this panel towards you, just like that. Remove this bolt on top, okay. Remove this. Now you can start to pull this panel gently towards you, just like that. I'm doing this second time on this car, that's why it's pop out easy. Now, using your flathead, start to pull your vent cover. Start from the bottom, on this side, okay, this side, come on. Now put it here, and the other side too, just like that. As you can see, there is some clips, some of them is gonna stay inside. Now, using Phillips head, remove four screws again: 1, 2, 3 and 4, and pull your radio out. Disconnect your connectors, super simple. And that's it, guys, you're all set. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.